Hello there. Dual booting Windows and Ubuntu offers the flexibility of both operating systems on a single machine. However, reinstalling Windows can sometimes disrupt the grub bootloader, leading to boot issues. In this guide, I will provide a straightforward solution to restore grub functionality and reintegrate Windows into the grub boot menu. After performing a fresh installation of Windows 11 on a system that also runs Ubuntu, you might encounter following problems. The system boots directly into Windows without displaying the grub menu. Window entry in grub fails. To resolve these issues, you will have to modify the boot order in BIOS or UEFI firmware settings to prioritize Ubuntu as the first boot device, allowing access to grub menu. Reinstalling Windows often changes the boot sequence settings, Windows Boot Manager as a default. Once you are back in Ubuntu, open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T keys together. Execute the following command to install the OS proper. You will find the commands I will execute in this guide in the description section of this video. Execute following command to edit the grub file. You will have to add a entry into the grub file. After adding this entry from the description section of this video, press Ctrl O keys together. After pressing the Ctrl O key together, press Enter key and exit the nano by press Ctrl X keys together to exit the nano text editor. All you have to do is execute the following command. As you can see, Windows Boot Manager found and added to grub menu. After restarting your computer, the grub menu should display an option for Windows 11. Select Windows 11 from the grub menu to ensure it boots correctly. That is it for this guide. As you can see, you have added Windows 11 entry to grub menu. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them at the comment section, and I will do my best to answer your question. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.